I am so glad you have come to join me today because we are going on a garden tour of my sister-in-law's house, and she lives in Maine. We're going to walk around, look at some of the flowers that are blooming this time of year. When I say this time, we were there in June. And then we're going to do what she calls a backyard bouquet with some of the flowers. And then after that, we're going to look at some of her beautiful flowers on her back porch. The feverfew looks like chamomile. And I may be bringing some home with me. We're going to see. She's got more over there. Are we cutting more flowers or greenery now? Hosta. What is this on the lantern again?
That's clematis.
Clematis. These are hostas. Isn't that gorgeous?
I'm just going to cut a few leaves.
This is lady's mantle.
Right here. And I'm going to get as a filler similar to baby's breath. And I think that will be enough for a bouquet.
What do you think? I think it's pretty. I also want to show y'all her dogwood that's blooming right now. It's amazing. But look at this beautiful iron piece of furniture that a friend made that's tucked away in this garden. So pretty. Hydrangea tree. And it's not blooming right now. A lot of her flowers bloom at different times, so she has real pretty flowers different times a year. But look at this dogwood. Here beside their house on this corner is some more hydrangeas, and
these will be blue.
They'll be blue, and they haven't bloomed yet, but they may bloom while I'm here because they already are showing signs of flowers. Hosta now, the feverfew, which looks like chamomile. Such a pretty flower. on the back patio I thought you might like is look at this, how gorgeous. We have 2 plants. What are these flowers? Petunias and what else?
Lobelia.
Lobelia, but look how pretty this cast iron base is. So
It's an old water fountain.
an old water. So beautiful. She's got this beautiful plant stand with a begonia.
Geranium.
Geranium. I should have known that. And then over here is where the bird's nest that fell. They've placed it over here. And then this plant is
Lobelia.
more lobelia.
And the hummingbirds perch on that handle.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
And then some roses that are like climbing roses. So what did you think? Did you enjoy going on this garden tour? If you would like more videos like this, please let me know in the comments. And I'll be happy to take you on more landscaping tours in the future. I don't do a lot of landscaping myself. My husband's, he's the green thumb in the family. But mostly I do interior stuff. But if I ever come across another beautiful yard, I'll be happy to share it. And so I also wanted to share with you that I'm in North Carolina right now instead of Florida. For those of you who are new, I live in Florida, but I'm in North Carolina working on redoing an office. So I'm excited. I hope to be sharing that with you soon. And I just want to wish you all a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.